Mehbooba Mufti campaigning at an election rally in Chadura, Central Kashmir. The former Chief Minister is fighting a battle for her political survival and for the survival of her party PDP in Kashmir. Since its traditional rival National Conference, which also became its partner when the Gupkar alliance was established to fight for restoring the special status of Jammu and Kashmir at the time of the abrogation of Article 370, came into an electoral arrangement with the India alliance for contesting on 3 seats and Congress fighting on the 2 other seats in Jammu.
2019 370 खत्म करने के साथ सब कुछ बंद नहीं हुआ। तब से लेके आज तक कोशिश की जा रही है किस तरह जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के इख्तियारात छीने जाए, किस तरह इनको बेदखल किया जाए, इनकी जमीनों से। हमारे जो असासे हैं, हमारे जो वसाइल है, हमारी बिजली हमको सबसे ज्यादा महंगी मिलती है। मुल्क में उसको सस्ते दामों देते हैं, मुफ्त में देते हैं। इसलिए ये इलेक्शन इसलिए जरूरी है कि ताकि लोग दिल्ली वालों को ये पैगाम दे कि जो आपने 2019 में नाजायज तरीके से किया, गलत तरीके से किया, वो जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों को काबिल कबूल नहीं है।
I think post abrogation there has been fear, there have been raids, arrests, mass scale detentions, UAPA has been, and there's a complete raid raj. Whosoever, there's been thought policing, whosoever talks, people are detained. So what we're trying to do is that we want to give people that voice, where the suffocation inside them is, that's express it in a democratic means, that they don't do violence, but they reflect their sentiments through voting, through participation, through slogans, through these rallies, through these public shows. And the leaders are all involved, like locally, doing this from Chadura itself, which is very close to Srinagar. You can see the anger, you can see the expression. I think this is a way to heal people and address their anxiety.
PDP has decided to contest on 3 seats on its own, primarily in Kashmir, where its vote bank lies, giving 2 Jammu seats a miss. During her election rallies, Mehbooba is targeting BJP for the 370 abrogation move and for allegedly disempowering Kashmiris. But she is not training guns directly at the National Conference, emphasizing that her fight is not against National Conference leader Umar Abdullah, but for the rights and voices of the people. Her only grudge that she was not consulted by the National Conference leadership when the party announced its candidates.
Umar Abdullah recently said that PDP is the C team of BJP. What do you have to say?
मेरा झगड़ा उमर अब्दुल्ला के साथ नहीं है। मैं चाहती हूँ कि जो जम्मू कश्मीर के इस वक्त हालात है, लोग उसको समझे और एक ऐसी पार्टी को वोट दे जो पार्टी दिल्ली में जाके यहाँ के लोगों के जो मसले मसाइल हैं, जो हकीकत है, उसको बयान करे बिना डर के, बिना खौफ के।
Mehbooba, herself a candidate for the Anantnag Rajouri constituency of Jammu and Kashmir, which spans across 4 districts, and constituency boasts a diverse electorate of over 17 lakh voters. The party is banking on its old slogans like healing touch and opening the cross LOC roads, besides emphasizing the party's role in alleviating the fear of violence and restoring a sense of security among the population. Despite acknowledging grievances primarily for its alliance with the BJP that initially brought her father Mufti Said to power as the chief minister, followed by her becoming the chief minister after his death, Mehbooba is asserting that the PDP's legacy of governance, particularly during her father's tenure, remains unparalleled.
कि आप पीडीपी को वोट करें, क्योंकि जो वो हमारी कश्मीर की अपनी पार्टी है और उन्होंने बहुत कुछ किया है हमारे लिए, हम सब के लिए। इतने सालों से उन्होंने बहुत हमारी आवाज उठाई है, आर्टिकल्स के रिलेटेड उन्होंने आवाज उठाई है और बहुत सारी काम भी किए हैं।
Mufti sought to rekindle confidence in the PDP's ability to address the challenge facing the region and reiterates the significance of electing representatives who prioritize interests of the people in Delhi. But how is that stand any different from the stand of other regional parties, and how can the PDP reinvent itself and connect with the voters in the turbulent political waters of Kashmir is the party's biggest challenge.
On the face of it, the PDP says that it's fighting the election for the restoration of the special status of Jammu and Kashmir. But for PDP, the challenges are multiple. The party is in a revival mode. 40 of its members have left the party in the recent years, and now it's trying to reconnect with its voters. And leading that fight is party president Mehbooba Mufti, who is going to all the public rallies and trying to build a bond with the voters and to reconnect with them.
In Chadura, with Amir Chasti, Zafar Iqbal for Mojo Story.